Alright, so we start first by identifying what the task at hand is. So this is bigger, better, favorite number, so we have to ask for what their favorite number is, then add 1 to it and suggest this new number as a bigger and therefore better favorite number. So we ask for this is a comment. This is how you do comments in Ruby. So we ask for their favorite number, add 1 to it, and suggest it as a better favorite number. So we start by getting their favorite number, so we'll do a puts. Hey there, what's your favorite number? Quick thing here, here I'm using double quotes, but you can use single quotes instead. But as you can see, this will make it think that the string ends here. The way to get around that is to use a backslash. That tells the program to treat this as just a regular character instead of what that character is usually used to symbolize, which is the beginning or end of a string. So with that, then we get the number. So favorite number is equal to gets, so we can get it, dot chomp to get rid of the new line character at the end, and then 2i, which turns it into an integer so that we can add 1 to it in this one. So the better number is equal to the favorite number plus 1. So we've now added 1 to it, and now we just need to suggest the new and better favorite number. So I'll do this one in double quotes. The favorite number, we have to turn back into a string so that we can do this string concatenation, which is a pretty handy thing in Ruby. And most languages really have some form of it, but Ruby's pretty simple and nice. So, their number is okay, I guess. But don't you think, and then we put the new one, so better number to string, would make for a bit of a bigger and therefore better favorite number. And that should be it. So things to take away from this is the backslash to get around the apostrophe, the gets.chomp. Really, you should always be doing gets.chomp instead of just gets by itself. You almost always want to get rid of the extra new line character at the end. The use of 2i and 2s to go back and forth between string and integers, depending on what it is that you want to do. And that is it. Slight change that would make this a little bit nicer or easier to deal with is that we could keep that as the favorite number as a string, and we put the 2 integer here, and we can put this between parentheses and turn that into a string. And then we don't need to do anything here. So now let's bring up the terminal so we can test it out. Move into where I have my repository, move into chapter 5, and then it's Ruby, bigger, better, favorite number. Handy thing here that you may have noticed, in the terminal when you start typing things, if you click tab, it'll autocomplete. And if there's multiple options, it'll show you the options. So here I haven't written anything, but if I do tab twice, it shows me the options, which are the bigger, better, favorite number, and full name breeding. We're doing bigger, better, favorite numbers. So as soon as I start typing it and click tab, they don't start the same. One starts with a B and one with an F. So that's it. Click enter. Hey there, what's your favorite number? My favorite number is 3. So put that, and it says, 3 is okay, I guess, but don't you think 4 would make for a bit of a bigger and therefore better favorite number? And that is it for this week.